Hello my dear foodies, welcome to Afreen's Tasty Kitchen. Today's recipe is Eggless Butter Naan on Tawa. Naan is the most well-known Indian bread and is popular all over the world. In my recipe of butter naan, tandoor or oven or any magic ingredient or fermentation is not required. It's just a simple recipe with quick cooking on stove top. Take a bowl, add 500 grams of all-purpose flour, that is maida, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon sugar, and mix well. Now add 1 cup curd, 1 cup milk, 2 teaspoon oil, and knead to make a soft dough. Knead to make a soft dough by adding water if required. Add 2 drops of oil on the top. And keep aside covered for 30 minutes. Once the dough has rested, take small balls from the dough. And roll it just like chapati. Add little water to one side of naan and stick that side to tawa. Once bubble starts coming, flip the tawa on the stove side. Now add butter to the naan. Butter naan is ready now. It's so soft and melts in the mouth. Serve it hot with butter paneer or butter chicken. Do try this butter naan and let me know how it turned out. Enjoy this recipe with your family and friends. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can share my link on your WhatsApp group also and ask your friends to subscribe. Okay then, see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you